Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. So today we have the Hasport motor mounts, the 62A version. We're going to put these on my RSX. The OEM mounts are cracked. They haven't been changed for I guess 14 to 15 years since the day the car was brought new off of the lot. So we have the mounts right here. They're going to go on the driver's side, passenger side, and right underneath the car where the transmission is. Looks like this. So the kit comes with just 3 pieces to bolt up to your car, and it also comes with the bolts right here in the bag. You get these off of K-Series parts. I got it for about like $350. The downside of I guess these Hasport mounts are that they cause a lot of vibration inside the cabin, but I think it's a good trade-off to have power and to have stability. And I'm not driving this car every day anyway, so I'd rather have the performance gain. So we'll go ahead and just remove the old OEM mounts from the car first and then put these on. I've never installed motor mounts on an RSX ever, so it's my first time doing it, but I did my research and hopefully it doesn't take me forever. So yeah, let's get started. As you guys can see, this is the passenger side motor mount right here. It's a little bit cracked and worn. We're gonna disconnect this 10mm grounding bolt, 3 bolts right there, and then maybe loosen up this ABS component right here and probably set it off to the side so that we can get access to that and just bolt it off. And then right over there we have the driver's side motor mount. You probably just have to remove the battery, maybe remove some of this cabling so I can get access to it, and then just a couple bolts right there, and then we're gonna just take it off and bolt the other one in. I'm underneath the car now. Oh man, look at this. The stock exhaust is dented. Probably hit something, or the last guy hit something. But yeah, we're probably gonna replace this eventually, but we're gonna go over to the motor mounts, which is right over there. Actually, I'm a little far away, so let's get closer.
Starting with the rear mounts, this part is one of the most trickiest parts because you gotta jack the car up and make sure that the level, the motor kind of fits into the holes so you can draw the bolts all the way through. This part took me the longest because I was on the ground and it's really tiring just wrenching on the ground. But anyway, the motor mount's out right here, and it's pretty cracked. I worked on the car throughout the day, and you can see a lot better during the daytime. So yeah, there's another passenger side mount. It's cracked as well, and that is the driver's side mount, which is looking fairly alright. But yeah, that's what it looks like when it's installed.
Alright, finally got the driver's side motor mount in. This is really trickier. It's a lot harder than it looks. Why? Because there's a bolt right behind here. I'll try to give you guys a better angle. There's a bolt right behind there. That's very hard to get to. Other than that, the front mounts are in. That's what it looks like, the Hasport motor mount 62A.
I also ordered a brand new Honda OEM battery tie-down bar with new bolts, so I just bolted up to the car. It just kind of gets rid of old wear and tear parts and keeps the engine bay looking a lot cleaner.
Alright, so this is the first start after the motor mounts are installed. I know there's gonna be some vibrations, but let's see how it is. Oh yeah, you guys can hear it. You can hear the vibration, right? It's actually not that bad. It actually feels like I'm more connected to the car. But watch, if I rev it to about 2,000 or 1,500 RPM, I think the vibrations go down a little bit. But yeah, if you guys are gonna get this motor mount, there is some vibration for sure. I could feel it. You gotta sit in the car to feel it, but I'm gonna drive around a bit and see how it feels.
So after driving around for about an hour or so, the car responsiveness is a lot better. It's a lot stronger. There's no wheel hop, which is what a lot of people were saying on the reviews when they're running this mount. The vibrations did get a little bit louder, but I think it's a given. It's a good trade-off to have the good connection with your car and to have less wheel hop. And I'm not driving this car every day, so I'd rather have the performance gain than go with OEM and have everything be smooth. But I recommend this mount if you guys are going to be tracking in it or just having spirited drives in canyons. The only downside is, like I said, just the vibrations, and when you turn the AC on, it gets worse. So your whole dash, everything's going to rattle, but it's not as bad as like the 70A or the more thicker compound of the material inside the motor mount. So if you want something that's more like smooth and quiet, then go with OEM. But if you want performance gains and less wheel hop, or you're going to be driving on the track, then I recommend getting this mount, the 62A. But yeah, I'll be driving it throughout the next couple weeks and giving you guys feedback later on. But for now, I like it, and that's the install. Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.